Hello everyone. Thank you for joining. We'll wait for one more minute and then start. Hello. Okay, let's get started. Hi viewers, welcome to Vibha Indian Designer Boutique and today's live show. This is Vinya Gopasetti. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Like every time I want to check, please let me know about the audio and video. Hope they are clear. If they are not clear, we'll try to fix it. I'm using the microphone and hope it is helping. Do let me know if it is clear or not. You can leave a comment in the comment box. I hope the audio and video are clear. Okay, thank you. Thank you each and everyone for taking time and joining our live shows every week. I'm extremely happy for the kind of response we are receiving for our live shows. I feel very happy to read and hear all your lovely comments, suggestions and feedback. Trust me, it is so motivating and encouraging for me. I'm very happy to see the people joining from other states as well, not only in the Bay Area. And as I requested, many of you are sharing our live shows with your family and friends. That's so nice of you. Yes, these live shows are helping Vibha to reach more people. Thank you for the love and support, and thank you for such an amazing response for our last week live show on Gadwal silk sarees. Many of you loved the Gadwal weaves, color combinations and the unique styles, and many of you made the bookings immediately and purchased the sarees, and some of you stopped by at our boutique on the same day to pick up the sarees, and we ship it to the clients who purchased from other states and even in the local. Yes, shipping is free. There is no additional charge for the shipping, and we received a great feedback from the clients who picked up these sarees, the Gadwal sarees, and they mentioned that they loved the sarees and the color combinations and the quality of the saree. In fact, they mentioned the sarees are looking more beautiful in person than in the live shows and the pictures we are posting on Facebook and Instagram. They also very happy and gave the feedback about the blouse fittings and the finishing, and not to mention we received a great feedback about the prices of the sarees as well. Each and everyone appreciated for the pricing at reasonable prices. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the appreciation. I'm so humbled, and it adds more responsibility to give the best work. Thank you. And for the first time viewers, whoever joining for the first time, and also we received some queries, especially last week about Viva. I'll quickly, briefly clarify some points. Viva is my signature label. I'm graduated from the fashion designing school back in India and worked as a textile designer. Many people were asking, is Viva only the online store? No, this is our boutique, our physical store. The boutique is located in the heart of Sunnyvale, California. You can find our boutique address on Google, Instagram, or on our Facebook page, and you can also it is displayed here on the monitor. It is 998 East El Camino Real, Sunnyvale, California. We are in the second floor of the building. And coming to the business hours, presently we are open for the limited hours. It is from Tuesday to Saturday from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Tuesday to Saturday from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and on Sunday 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. These are our boutique hours, and there is no appointment needed. You can walk in during these business hours. We're strictly following the COVID safety guidelines, and masks are mandatory, and we are providing the hand gloves. You can stop by at our boutique to check out our collections if you live in the Sunnyvale city or in the surrounding cities. And I design, and I'm into Indian ethnic wear, bridal wear, Indo-Western contemporary wear for women. You will find different collections available at our boutique, and we also have limited collections available for kids and men. And coming to the kids wear and the men's wear, for the past few weeks we have been receiving lot of inquiries and requests for the kids wear collection and men's wear. As I mentioned, compared to the girls and women's wear, we have very limited collection in kids wear and men. Most of the designs got sold out. We still have few designs available for the kids wear. You can reach us out so I can share the available designs. And we also do take custom orders. We take custom orders for your special occasions, bridal, wedding wear, everything. You can call us, or you can meet me in person if you have any customer order in mind, so we can discuss, and as per your requirement we can design and get the custom order done. So for the custom orders, please schedule an appointment to meet me in person, so we can discuss as per your requirement. This is about the boutique location and the business hours. If you still have any queries, please send us a message. And coming to the today's collection, as I mentioned, today we are going to showcase limited collection of exclusive fancy sarees. We have received lot of messages and requests for this kind of collection. Not only the handlooms, many people are interested to see these fancy varieties. We have been receiving messages and requests for almost each and every category. Today we are going to showcase this limited collection of fancy sarees. And these fancy sarees, they are very beautiful, and they come in different materials like chiffons, georgettes, organzas, nets, soft nets, and many material. I am going to showcase in a few designs in each and every category. And all these sarees, they are very stylish, very elegant, simple, and suitable for all age groups, teenage girls too, and above age group, and also suitable for many occasions like simple parties too, special occasions and festive evenings. And you can I will show and explain each and every saree. And all these sarees, they come with ready to wear stylish blouses, like we have seen the handloom sarees, more of the traditional style of blouses, whereas these fancy sarees, they come with the contemporary stylish unique style blouses. And the sarees are done with fall picot, and all the sarees are also provided with the inner saree skirts, saree petticoats. Like every time, I'll show each saree followed by the saree code and the saree price. All the details are displayed on the monitor. If you like any of these sarees, please make the booking immediately by sending a WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number, that is 408-338-8147. You can send a message on to our WhatsApp number. You can send the sari code, and if possible please send the screenshot of the sari also. That helps to process your order quickly. Right after the show, we will share the payment details after the purchase. If you want, you can stop by at our boutique to pick up your sari. We are also providing curbside pickup. Last week many of you stopped by at our boutique, and we did the curbside pickup. And if you share the address, we can post to the given address. So let us get started. And first I will start with my sari. This sari today, whatever I'm showcasing, this is not available to purchase, but if you like the sari, you can place the custom order. This is one of the ruffle sari which I designed a couple of years ago, one of my favorite. This is coming to the material. This is Chinori silk material. The body of the, it's like a dark brown and light blue combination ruffles. Ruffle fashion is the 17th century fashion, has become a big hit in the current fashion. These are so much in demand. These ruffle saris, they look very stylish, unique and beautiful, very easy to drape. And this is the Chinori silk. On the body of the sari you can see the motifs in thread embroidery, and the ruffles at the bottom, border, the floral print, and also the pallu you can see. And there is an embellishment of pearl work embroidered border all over. And the sari is steamed with the ruffle sleeve blouse. This is how it looks, and it comes with the matching sari inner skirt. And the price for this sari is $250. If you like this design, you can call us or message us to place a custom order. We can maybe we cannot repeat the same combination. We can do it in different color combinations, or if you want, if we can do it in different materials as well. So we can discuss this as a custom order. You can message us. So I'm going to show a few more ruffle saris today. So if you like the ruffles concept, you can choose one of the sari. So let's get started. The first sari I'm going to show the first few saris are in pure chiffons and georgettes. They look very stylish, simple and elegant in beautiful colors. I will let me show and explain the saris. This is the first sari. This is a pure chiffon sari. It's like a cobalt blue. So if you see, it's a plain sari, very soft. These pure chiffons, so you know the plain saris, you can never go wrong with these pure chiffons and georgettes with pretty and poppy colors. So this is all the plain. If you see, this is embellished on both the sides. It's a embroidered border, thread and sequins embroidered border. This plain saris are always, it's like a timeless fashion. And if you look at the pallu also, it's like throughout the sari you can see these embroidered borders. It's a beautiful color. And you can team these plain saris with a nice contrast or matching blouses. This sari comes with this contrast light blue blouse, and this is in georgette, shimmery thread all over the blouse. You can see the silver thread work. Sleeveless blouse, and the dark blue and sky light blue. It's a good combination. It's like a boat neck in the front, sleeveless, and at the back, this is how it is. These are all the same cloth, using the same cloth these tassels are made. And as I mentioned, all these sarees, they are made in standard measurements. It's like most of them are in 36 and 38, and every blouse has enough room inside to adjust to your required sizes. And also the saree and the blouse, this whole set is also come with the matching saree inner skirt. So just I will show one of the quickly, yeah, just to get an idea, I'll show one of the saree skirt. So rest of the designs I may not show the saree skirt to get an idea. These all come in free size, and most of the saree skirts are in the material like a satin or the crepe. So the whole set, this one, the code for this is VGS01 and the price is $155. VGS01 and the price is $155. These plain sarees, you know, they are best suitable for simple parties. You know, you can team them up with nowadays you can team up with a nice waist belt as well, embroidered waist belt or contemporary style. You can style it in a different ways. And the next saree is in the similar concept. This is in Georgette. It's a pure Georgette. It's like a coral pink color. It's a plain Georgette saree with embellished border throughout the saree. It's a pearl embroidery and frilled border throughout the saree. This is how it looks. And again the border is also with the same border. I mean same embroidered border. And the saree, if you, it looks like this. And the blouse for this saree, this is the blouse for this one. It's a very stylish blouse. It's like a cold shoulder blouse, and if you see, this is all the nice peach color, contrast peach color blouse with the leaf motifs all over the blouse, and we also highlighted the motifs with gold jari here and there. Multicolors you can see in this. It looks very good with this kind of plain color saree. This is like a cold shoulder, and this is the back. And again this comes with a matching saree skirt, inner skirt, and the code for this is VGS02 and the price is $155. VGS02 and price is $155. Okay, coming to the next one. This is the dark sky blue Georgette saree. This is also the plain concept, plain saree concept. And if you see the borders, nice thread embroidered done on both the sides. Throughout the saree, both the sides you can see the same borders. Nice peach and gold thread embroidery. All these are the beautiful colors, bright and vibrant colors with contrast stylish blouses. This is how the saree. And this one comes with a contrast peach color blouse. This is in crepe, shimmery crepe material, the blouse. If you see the necklines and the waistline details and the hem of the sleeves, so this is all like, you can see the scalloped, you know, the scalloped style. And at the back as well. And you can also see the silver jari thread motifs all over the body of the blouse. This is how the sari and the blouse. And yeah, again it's the same sari inner skirt will be there. The complete set. The code for this is VGS03 and the price is $155. VGS03 and price is $155. And coming to these plain sarees, a lot of our bridal clients, you know, they prefer for the bridesmaids, they choose these kind of sarees also. We did many custom orders for the bridesmaids for their wedding events and all. So these are always in, it's like a timeless fashion, plain sarees. And the next one is, this is also beautiful bright color. It's like a orange shade, orange red. And nice kundan embroidered borders on both the sides. All throughout the saree you can see these borders. And this is the pallu. Let me show you. This is the saree and the blouse. And the blouse for this, yeah, this is in golden sequence blouse. Again the cold shoulder. It's a beautiful sequence embroidered gold blouse. This is the back. It's like a deep sweetheart neckline. It looks very pretty. This is how it looks, the saree and the blouse. And the code for this saree is VGS04 and the price is $155. You can see our WhatsApp number over there, 408-338-8147. If you like any of these sarees, please send us a WhatsApp message through that number. And also last week I received some queries on the blouses as well. Like, you know, some of them they had question about the size of the blouse. So if you some of them they like it the saree but not very sure about the size of the blouse. As I mentioned, we have enough room inside the blouse for each one. And like, if you want to choose another blouse, let's say I'm showing this sleeveless and halter neck, all these styles. If you are not comfortable with any of those styles but you like it the saree, you can message us so we can show the alternative options for that saree, like, you know, as per your preference and also as per your size requirements, we can show some other options. As I mentioned, we have so many ready to wear blouses available at our boutique in different styles and in different sizes. And the next one, this is a pure chiffon. It is like a multicolored. You can see 3 colors dyed in this. You can see black, yellow and red. Very soft pure chiffon. And both the sides you can see the embellished embroidered borders with the thread and sequence embroidery. And this is the pallu. And this is how it looks. and this is the pallu. And the blouse for this is very stylish blouse. This is in pure silk. This is in red color. If you see, this is like you have the cold shoulder attached sleeves here. These are removable. If you do not want, you can remove the sleeves, ruffle the sleeve here. And this is the back. Back you have a bow to, yeah. This is how it looks. And the details for this saree, it is VFS 05 and the price is 155. I think this is the right code for today, VFS 05, and the price is $155. And all these sarees are done with fall and pico. Yeah, the next sarees, it's the concept of the ruffles, like you know what I am wearing. I'll show few designs in this. These ruffles sarees are so much in trend. It's like 2 years ago they are in so much in trend, but still they are in demand. You know, they look very stylish, very beautiful, and you can team them, style it up in a different ways. These ruffle sarees. Let me start showing. This is the pale pink, shinori crepe. The material is shinori crepe. If you see all over the body of the saree, you have a nice jari thread motifs, small motifs, jari and sequins. And bottom you can see the ruffles and it's a light teal shape. It's a floral print. You can see 2 layered ruffles at the bottom. And coming to the pallu, let me show you the properly. And this is how the pallu. And the bottom border, you can see the ruffle border, and at the pallu also you see the ruffle borders. All over the saree you see these jari motifs. It's a nice, very pastel shade, light pale pink. And the blouse for this, it is in the same floral print like the borders, ruffle borders. It's like a ruffle sleeves, you can see. And this is the back. This is how the saree and the blouse looks. And the details for this saree, it is VFS 06, and the price for this saree is $195. VFS 06 and price is $195. Okay, the next one. This is also the same concept, ruffles. So, but you see the ruffles only in the pallu. The whole saree is like, this is again the shinori silk, and all over the saree you see the gota work and gold sequins. It's like a cut work border on both the sides. Very nice pastel pink. And this is the pallu. At the pallu you can can see the floral print ruffle border. And the saree looks like this. This is the saree. And the pallu. And the blouse for this one is in floral print. Nice floral print in multicolor. It's like a bell sleeve. This is 3/4 sleeve. And this is the back. Nice pink color with the multicolor floral print blouse. And this is the saree in the blouse. The details for this one, it is VFS07 and the price is $215. VFS07 and price is $215. And the other design in the ruffles concept only. It's a beautiful saree in rust color, a ruffles concept. If you see, this is also Shinoori silk, and all over the saree you can see this is like a fox mirror work, very nicely done. And the bottom side you can see the floral print ruffle border, and top border it is again the embroidered in gold jari and red thread. And this is the pallu. Pallu again you have the same floral print ruffle border. And the saree looks like this. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this one in the same floral ruffle border is floral print in nice peach color. This is the ruffle sleeve. This is the saree and the blouse. And the details for this is VFS08 and the price is $250 for this saree. VFS08 and price is $250. All these sarees, the ruffle concept sarees, they best suitable for all occasions, like a simple parties to all your special occasions and festive evenings. And do let me know how you guys liking today's collection, and please leave a comment in the comment box, so I will understand what kind of styles you are liking, what are your preferences in these fancy sarees. Please do let me know. And the next one is this is a beautiful pink organza saree. You can see the self checks all over the saree and the nice medium sized motifs all over the saree. Gold jari thread motifs. And this is the pallu. At the pallu you can see the nicely embroidered, it's like a cut work embroidered border. this is how it looks. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this one, so like this, it's the same monochrome style, the same material, using the body of the blouse and adding the pop-up color like the yellow. If you see the sleeve detail, it is like a cold shoulder style. I put the clips here, so it is not showing clearly. It is a cold shoulder blouse. And if you see the back, it's a unique, stylish keyhole cut. Instead of the regular keyhole cut, it is in the diagonal shape. It looks very stylish and pretty. This is the pallu. And yeah, as I mentioned, all these sarees, they come with matching saree petticoats. And the details for this saree, the code is VFS09 and the price is $225. VFS09 and price is $225. This is a beautiful organza. Lot of people usually, you think the organzas are, it may not suit for them, and because of the little stiff material, little stiffness in the material, so they think it will stand up and make them fluffy. It's not like that. If you choose the soft organzas, this is a very soft organza. If you choose the soft nets and organzas, they look very beautiful. You can with the nice pleating and the nice styling draping of the saree, these sarees, they look so beautiful and suitable for all occasions. Do let me know if you have any questions about these designs, like coming to the sizes of the blouses or anything like that. Just leave a comment or send us a message right after the show. I'll reply back to all your queries. If anything urgent, even you can call us on the, something important you want to check on, you can call us on the same number. We can talk to you, we can take your call. And the next one, this is a beautiful soft net. It's a light peach pink shade. All over the saree you can see the nice gold, it's like a motifs, and also the nice pearl work done in between, in the center of the motifs. And the borders, if you see the borders on both the sides, it is like a mirror cut work borders, and also pearl embroidery. These are real mirrors. This is how the whole saree, and this is the pallu, and also the pallu you have the same borders. And the saree looks like this. This is how. And the blouse for this. This is the blouse in peach color. It's a net. It has illusion neck here if you see. And all over the blouse you can see the pearl embroidery done. And these are the same embroidered borders at the hem of the sleeves. It has nice thread embroidery. And if you see the back, this is like a transparent, it's a sheer back. very stylish. A lot of clients are asking for these kind of dazzling and blingy fancy variety of saris and lehengas. So for those people, today's collection is mostly for those people. If you like any of these saris, please send us a WhatsApp message. Oh yeah, the details of this saree. The code is VFS10 and the price is 235. The saree whatever I had shown just now, the code is VFS10 and the price is $235. Okay, going for the next one. This is a beautiful peach color saree. Peach, it's an organza material. If you see all over the body of the saree, nice gota work motifs, floral motifs. And at the bottom of the saree, you have a ruffle border. If you see, this is the ruffle border at the bottom. And you can see the nice embroidery done on the ruffle border at the, it's in gray color, light gray color with nice thread embroidery in pink color and gold jari all over the border. And coming to the pallu, this is here. Yeah. So if you see the pallu, you have a nice embroidered border. It's a kundan and gold jari. It's a pop-up color in green. The saree looks like this. All over the saree like this, and the ruffle border will come at the bottom. It's like the folding. Let me show you like this. So this is how. And this is the pallu. Hope it is clear for you. This is the saree and the bottom ruffle border, and this is the pallu. And the blouse for this, it is unique style. If you see the blouse, this is like a contrast pink color, and if you see the body of the blouse, a very nice embroidery done in contrast red and peach thread, and this is the gold jari thread. And the sleeves are like cape sleeves in cold shoulder style. This is like a cape sleeves. It's like a flowy of the sleeves. It looks very good. If some of these designs, if you drape them, they look very beautiful, very stylish and very unique. And this is the back. So this is the style of the saree and the blouse, and the details for this, it is VFS 11 and the price is $275. VFS 11 and the price is $275. Most of our saree designs and all other designs, they are all are available in ready to wear. Since our production is in India and we get everything design and get ready over there, and whatever you see in our boutique, it is ready to wear in different sizes and styles. I know it is very hard here in US to find a person who can stitch the blouse, the designs or the suits or whatever in a right fitting and right finishing. So we carry everything ready to wear. All our blouses are always like in high demand throughout the year. We carry huge variety in blouses. Like we have stylish blouses, we also have like embroidered blouses, contemporary styles, traditional styles. You can stop at our boutique to check them out, or you can see some of our products on our website also. It is vibha.us. We still have to update many new designs on our website, but you can see some of the products available there. You can check out vibha.us. And the next one, is a beautiful organza saree, and the color is like it's like a powder blue, very beautiful pastel color, and all over the saree very beautiful work done. If you see, it's in golden jari thread work, and also the contrast, like pop-up colors in peach and red color thread work done in floral motifs. Very rich look and elegant look. All these suitable for a day or a night occasions. So if you see the borders of the saree on both the sides, it's beautifully done in kundan embroidery. This is how the saree. And coming to the pallu, the same work, embroidered borders, and the hem of the pallu, it is like embellished with the metal tassels, bead and metal tassels. They all look very pretty and unique. This is the saree. This is the pallu. And the blouse for this one, it is in golden brocade. And if you see the sleeves, they are very unique. Up to the elbow, it is like it's nicely done, the cut work. Very beautiful cut work on the sleeves. And the other part of the sleeve, you can see bell sleeves in soft net in golden color with jari motifs. And this is the back. These are all handmade tassels. Very unique style. This is how the saree and blouse. And the details for this one, it's VFS 12, price $345. VFS 12, $345. I'm trying to show limited sarees in every category, like chiffons, georgettes, organzas, crepes, silks. So you will get an idea what kind of sarees and designs we have. As a designer, many times we come up with a theme and work on the collection as per the theme and the inspiration and the mood board. We choose the materials, but also many times We look at the materials, we look at the fabrics, and we get inspired looking at that. Then we create the collections as well. So do let me know how are you guys liking today's collection. Please leave a comment in the comment box about the styles, what styles you are looking, what kind of materials you would like to see, your preferences, any styles, like do let me know. I can plan accordingly. Every time we are receiving so many requests and messages, people are sharing their suggestions and feedback, the kind of sarees they would like to see in handlooms and in fancy variety, and even our bridal clients are asking to showcase our bridal designs and fusion styles. A lot of categories are there. We will plan each and every category to showcase. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram to get all the updates about our next live shows. Yeah, do let me know your feedback in the comments. And the next one is a beautiful peach color Chinori silk saree. Nice peach pastel, very pleasant color. If you see all over the body, nice motifs in kundan. And you also see the kundan thin borders on both the sides. And this is how it looks. Very soft material. This is how the saree and the pallu. And the blouse for this one is again in the golden sequins. It's a short sleeve and deep sweetheart neck style in the front. And this is the back. With handmade tassels with the same jari sequins. Gold color blouses are always in demand because they go the golden blouses, they go with many colors. You can team them up with so many other color combinations. This is how the saree and the blouse. This is the pallu. And the code for this one is VFS 13 and the price is 195. VFS 13 and price is 195. And the next one is also in the same concept. Nice pastel yellow, light yellow with silver jari motifs all over, floral motifs all over the body of the saree. And the same jari borders on both the sides. And this is the pallu. All these sarees are very soft, very easy to drape, very easy to maintain, less lightweight. This is how the saree looks. This is the pallu. The saree, pallu. And the blouse, this one is again in golden. And this whole collection, that is the theme of the collection, pastel colors, and all of them are teamed up with stylish blouses in golden. This is a sleeveless blouse, and this is the back. keyhole cut. Nice pastel, pleasant color, very pretty color combination. And the code for this one is VFS 14 and price is $175. VFS 14 and price is $175. If you want to check out any other collections other than the sarees also, if you can stop by as I mentioned, or you can also schedule a video call. We are doing we are giving virtual consultations. We are showing the designs through video calls. A lot of people are reaching out from other states and also from Canada. People are reaching us out, and we are showcasing the designs as per their requirement through video calls. You can book a virtual video call appointment on our website also, or you can WhatsApp. We can message to our WhatsApp number. And the next saree is also in the same concept. This is also beautiful pastel light green saree. All over the saree you can see very beautiful pearl embroidery done in small motifs. And the borders, if you see, the bottom border is also again in the pearl embroidery, and at the bottom you can see little more detailing of the embroidery, pearl and jari thread embroidery, and also it is like a scallop border at the bottom. This is how the saree. It's a beautiful, pleasant color. This is how the saree looks. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this one is in the same golden blouse concept. If you see the style of the blouse, this is like a half shoulder blouse. It will start here. We just put the clips here to keep the balance. So this is a half shoulder blouse, and if you see the sleeve details, one of the sleeve has these nice gold bead hangings. It looks very stylish and unique. This is the saree, blouse and the pallu. And the code for this saree is VFS 15 and price is $245. VFS 15 and price is $245. If you like any of these sarees, please make a booking immediately by sending a WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number. And yeah, please share your suggestions for what you would like to see. A lot of people last week on Gadwal also, many of them suggested they want to see more turning borders with Meenakari work in Gadwal, Kanchi Gadwal, and many of them asked for the printed and Kalamkari Gadwal. Yes, printed Kalamkari Gadwal are so much in fashion now. I'm working on those styles. I'm coordinating with the weavers and the Kalamkari artists to bring their styles. Very soon we'll showcase that collection as well. In the same way, a lot of people are asking for the Benaras, Paithani and Moga Tassar, Venkatagiri again, Kanchi Pattu, Kanchi in the big borders. So we are receiving so many suggestions and feedback. Thank you very much. It helps to decide and plan our live shows. Yeah, please keep posting your comments and suggestions. And the next one. This is a beautiful Georgette saree. It's a pink, light pink and blue combination. is like a peach pink. All over the saree you can see the nicely done sequence embroidery. These are all so much in trend now, very trendy, very unique. All over the saree it's the same style. There is no difference between the borders and the pallu. It's like a monochromatic style, and it looks like this. People who like the blingy stuff, you know, the dazzling, the sequins, all these, they can opt for these styles. It looks very trendy and pretty. And the blouses for this comes in the contrast color. This is in blue color. It's all the sequins embroidery done in wavy lines. This is like elbow sleeve. And this is the back of the blouse. Yeah, the code for this is VFS16 and the price is $225. VFS16 and price is $225. And the next one is also in the same concept. White and pink combination. It's like a tie and dye print all over. It's like a pure georgette and the sequins embroidery all over the saree. Again, it is like a monochromatic. So the saree looks like this. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this one is in contrast color in pink. So the same sequence embroidery in wavy lines. This is the sleeveless blouse, and this is the back. And yeah, this is how it looks, the saree, the pallu and the blouse. And the code for this one is VFS17 and the price is $225. VFS17 and the price is $225. If you like any of this, send us a WhatsApp message. And next is the last saree and last saree of today's collection. Hope you are liking this collection. Share your feedback in the comments, and if you have any queries, send us a message. I'll reply back to all your queries. And tomorrow we have tomorrow we have another live show. We are doing two back to back this week. Today this one, and tomorrow we are showcasing exclusive collection of fancy lehengas and skirt crop tops. We received a lot of requests to showcase that collection also. A lot of people are interested for them, and some of them are interested to buy for their daughters. So tomorrow, that is the collection we are showcasing. Please join tomorrow's live show also. It is tomorrow we scheduled in the morning 11 a.m. Because Sunday our business hours are like 1 to 5, so we schedule it little early, that is 11 to 12 noon time. Please join and check out that collection as well. And the last saree of today's collection is the same concept. Georgette with the sequence embroidery and nice olive green color with white circle motifs all over the saree. Very trendy, very stylish. You can drape them in a very stylish way. And the saree is also like again the monochromatic style, and the saree looks like this. And the blouse for this one is a light yellow sequins, same sequins embroidery, wavy lines. It's a sleeveless blouse with a deep sweetheart neck, and this is the back. This is how the saree and the blouse looks. As I mentioned, all these sarees today, whatever we showcased, they come with a matching satin or crepe saree petticoats in free size. This is the saree and the blouse, and the code for this one is VFS 18 and the price is $225. VFS 18 and price is $225. This is the last saree of today's collection. I hope you all liked today's fancy sarees collection. Please do let me know your feedback about today's collection in our comments. And as I mentioned, tomorrow we are coming back again in the morning 11 a.m. with the lehengas, fancy lehengas and skirt crop tops collection. Please do join for that one also. Thank you once again for all the love and the support. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much. Until then, take care. Bye bye.